Well, here's what I got for you. A custom-made kunai knife.
Yeah, thanks.
This one's from me. I made a personalized med kit for you.
Thanks.
What are you holding your hand out for? If you're expecting a gift from me, you can forget it.
That's fine. I doubt it would have been anything good anyway. Better nothing at all than a useless burden.
I totally forgot. I was the only one who didn't give you a gift. For becoming a Jonin and being named Captain. I'm not going to give you something useless.